apples, bananas, and oranges. These are common fruits that can be found in any grocery store. But we are not on this channel to talk about the ordinary stuff. We want weird and mind-blowing things. Today, we'll talk you through a list of the world's most exotic fruits. Whether you are from the West or the East, you'll be sure to find some fruits that you've never heard of in this video. Some are sweetly edible, but some can be deadly. Let's get started. Number 1. Carambola. Carambola is a tropical Southeast Asian fruit. It is also known as a star fruit because it looks exactly like a star when sliced. Ripe carambola has a sweet taste and some tanginess, reminiscent of citrus fruits and plums. It's also a decent source of several nutrients. Meanwhile, the unripe star fruit is so acidic that it shouldn't be eaten raw. But the sharp taste makes a perfect ingredient for seafood soup. It can neutralize the fishy smell and leave a pleasant flavor in your mouth. Number 2. Finger lime. This native Australian finger-shaped fruit is full of juicy beads that look very similar to caviar. That's why many people call it vegan caviar. Finger limes are often used to add a citrus burst to seafood and chicken dishes, sprinkled over cut-up avocados and melons, or in creamy desserts. While savoring the dishes, you can hear the beads pop in your mouth. And just like caviar, finger lime is pricey. It's perhaps the most expensive citrus fruit in the world, around $100 to $150 per pound. So, if you want to experience this fruity caviar, you'd better prepare your wallet. Number 3. Hala fruit. The hala fruit is a large edible fruit found in Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands. It contains numerous segments called keys or cones, and it looks like an exploding planet or a rare Pokemon. Despite the scary appearance, the hala fruits have a delicate, sweet taste. It can be eaten raw, boiled into a paste, or squeezed into fresh juice. Number 4. Longan. Longan means dragon's eye in Chinese because it resembles an eyeball when shelled. Longan has a small round shape with translucent white flesh and black seed. This fruit grows in grape-like clusters, which means you can eat a whole bunch at a time. Just make sure to remove the shell and spit out the seed. It is a fantastic summer treat, and you can leave it in the fridge for more refreshment. Number 5. Cashew. The cashew fruit has an unusual appearance. It looks like the seed is exposed and keeps growing at the bottom of the fruit. But don't be deceived by the looks. The upper part is a false fruit that turns red or yellow when ripe, while the actual fruit is the seed-shaped part hanging below. Both parts of the cashew have commercial value. In India, the upper fruit is used to make feni, a strong liquor of the country. Meanwhile, the cashew nut is a healthy source of nutrients, plus it has a yummy taste. Number 6. Lychee. Lychee is a delicious tropical fruit native to southern China, but can be found in many Asian countries. This fruit has a roughly textured skin, but beneath the hard, bumpy husk is the tender white flesh. In addition to the sweet strawberry watermelon flavor, lychee has many health benefits. Legend has it that this fruit is the beauty secret of Yang Guofei, one of the 4 great beauties in ancient China. To maintain Lady Yang's gorgeous appearance, the emperor at the time sent his men thousands of miles away to northern Vietnam to get the best lychees for her. So if you want to enhance your beauty, maybe try out some lychees. Number 7. Ackee. Ackee is a Jamaican delicacy and is used in ackee and saltfish, the country's national dish. After being cooked, ackee has a creamy and buttery texture, perfect for a fresh summer dish. When the fruit ripens, it opens to reveal 3 large, shiny black seeds. However, the soft flesh is the only part of the fruit that is edible. The other parts are highly toxic. Don't eat unripe ackee since it can cause Jamaican vomiting sickness, which results in coma and even death. I wonder how the Jamaicans found out which part is edible and inedible though. By trial and error, I guess. Number 8. Snake fruit. Snake fruit, also known as salak or salaka zalaka, is native to Southeast Asia. The fruit's skin is scaly like a snake, but don't judge a book by its cover. The fresh inside is sweet and sour at the same time with a crunchy texture. It gives you a citrus-like tingle on your tongue. In Thailand, snake fruit is a popular on-the-go snack from street vendors, and they will dip the fruit into a mixture of sugar and salt before selling it. Snake fruit can also be fermented to make Salak wine, a traditional liquor of Bali. Number 9. Star apple. Despite the name, the star apple is not actually an apple. It is a tropical fruit mostly planted around Central America and some Asian countries like India, the Philippines, and Vietnam. The fruit's flesh is very juicy with a milky texture that can melt in your mouth. It also has a sweet taste reminiscent of fresh milk. Vietnam has an interesting folktale about the origin of the star apple. According to this story, the tree is actually the reborn life form of a mother, giving her son the sweet fruit alongside the sheltering shade of the tree. Therefore, the Vietnamese people call this fruit Vu Sua, which means breast milk, to remind themselves of filial piety, which is the attitude of respect for parents and ancestors in societies influenced by Confucian thought. Number 10. Gac. Originated in Vietnam, gac has now expanded to other Asian countries and Australia. Inside the spiny skin is the vivid red, soft flesh. This color results from its rich content of beta-carotene and lycopene. In fact, gac may have 70 times more lycopene than tomatoes. The fruit also contains many other antioxidants, which can slow down the aging process and lower cancer risk. In Vietnam, gac is part of the traditional xôi gac, a red rice dish with the rich color of gac and the sweet flavor of coconut. Try it if you come to the country. Number 11. Cactus fruit. Cactus fruit, also known as prickly pear, actually has the Latin name of Opuntia. The fruit has thick skin covered in tiny spines and grows on the rounded edges of cactus petals. When you cut them open, you'll find soft, juicy meat inside, as well as a lot of dark, round seeds. You will mostly find red and green cactus fruits in the US, but many more varieties and colors only exist in Mexico. The fruit can be eaten raw or used to make dishes, jellies, candies, and beverages. Number 12. Rambutan. In Malaysia and Indonesia, this fruit is called rambutan. The root word rambut means hair, so the name rambutan means hairy fruit. But don't worry, it can't hurt you with those spiky hairs. This strange-looking fruit has a soft, juicy, and sweet interior, but the seed is inedible. Just peel away the thin outer layer to see the good stuff inside. Number 13. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is the largest tree fruit in the world, reaching up to 100 pounds. Native to Southeast Asia, the fruit has a subtle sweetness and apple-banana flavor. It can be eaten raw or used in cooking dishes. When cooked, the fruit's flesh shreds like pulled pork and is considered a vegan pork substitute. But the biggest flex of this fruit is the capability to end world hunger. Both the flesh and the seed are edible. Only 0.2 pounds of jackfruit has approximately 95 calories. It's also a rich source of vital nutrients and fiber, making the fruit itself a balanced diet. Additionally, the tree requires little care to start producing fruits in the first 5 to 7 years and won't need constant replanting like wheat or rice. Number 14. Miracle berry. Originally from West Africa, miracle fruits have been introduced to the Western world. What's odd about the miracle berry is not its appearance, but rather its after effects. The berry itself contains little sugar, but after eating it, sour foods instantly taste sweet. This strange effect is caused by miraculin, a protein found in the berries that binds to the taste buds. The effect can last for hours, and many people use this to curb their sugar cravings. However, the FDA has imposed a ban on miraculin. A rumor has surfaced that the real reason behind the action is pressure from the sugar industry. Number 15. Buddha's hand. As the name suggests, Buddha's hand looks similar to a hand with finger-like protrusions growing out of the base. Unlike other citrus fruit, Buddha's hand hardly has any flesh or juice. Therefore, it's not often used as food. Both the fruit and the light purplish flower are very fragrant, so they're mainly used for perfuming rooms and clothing. In some Asian countries, people also use Buddha's hand in religious offerings. Number 16. Akebia. Although this beautiful fruit can be found in China and Taiwan, Akebia is most popular in Japan. It's a palm-sized fruit with a vivid purple pod protecting the white flesh inside. The flesh has a mildly sweet taste and is densely packed with small edible black seeds. However, these seeds are a little bitter, so many people would spit them out. Akebia is also used to make traditional dishes in Japan. Number 17. Dragon fruit. The dragon fruit is native to Central America, but is now grown across many tropical countries. There are two varieties with different colors of the inside pulp, but both are packed with countless edible seeds. Dragon fruit is subtle in flavor, with a sweet taste and creamy texture. The fruit is easy to fall in love with and can be used as a sweetener for drinks or desserts. Number 18. Kiwano. Kiwano, or horned melon, is an otherworldly looking fruit in this list. The fruit is native to sub-Saharan Africa. Kiwano has spiky orange skin and the jelly-like flesh inside is filled with green seeds. The fruit can be eaten as a snack or a salad. It tastes like cucumber mixed with kiwi. But don't let Kiwano overripe. Otherwise, it will explode forcefully to release the seeds. You don't want to store a grenade in your kitchen. Number 19. Mangosteen. Originated in Southeast Asia, mangosteen is regarded as the queen of fruit. Mangosteen has a dark purple shell with peculiar petals covering its top and bottom. Interestingly, the number of petals on the bottom indicates the number of cloves inside. The fruit's flesh is juicy with a slightly sweet and sour taste. You can think about it as a vegan yogurt. Mangosteen is a rich supply of vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and has many health benefits. Number 20. Durian. If mangosteen is called the queen of fruit, then which one is the king? The answer is durian. This large, spiky fruit also originated from Southeast Asia. The name durian comes from the root word duri in Malay and Indonesian, which means thorns. Durian is well known for its strong aroma and savory flavor. While many foreigners find the smell unpleasant, the fruit is popular in many parts of Asia. Hilariously, in 2019, a university in Australia had to evacuate its students because of mistaking rotten durian smell for a gas leak. Silent but deadly, right? That's it for the list of world's most exotic fruits. In your opinion, which one is the most bizarre? Share with us your thoughts in the comment section and remember to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.